Hi everyone, I'm Hannah and today I'm going to take you through a unique product. The Vissco Active Insta Cool Pack. This product is the perfect first aid ice pack for emergency situations and provides relief for swellings, bruises, sprains, cramps and minor bleeding. The cold application restricts the blood flow and prevents further damage. This pack has two compartments, uniquely separated and locked. The base solution is in one compartment and a special activator in the other. Just release the lock and hold the pack at the two ends. This allows the activator and solution to mix. Keep mixing and shaking thoroughly for over 30 seconds. And your pack will turn cold instantly. This feels so good. And yes, although the instant activation process happens just once, this product can be reused again and again. Simply refrigerate this pack and you can now use it just like a conventional cool pack. So what are you waiting for? Make this product an integral part of every first aid, gym and sports kit. Vissco Active also offers a flexi hot and cold pack, a heating belt and a cold gel eye mask. So bounce back from pain now with Vissco.